Hey up, here's a quick video on how to share a video or photo from Photos on your Mac to Twitter. Okay, so you used to be able to take a video or picture and click here and share it from this little share button, but that's kind of gone. Okay, I can't do that. I can't do it from here. Okay, so, but if I go to Twitter and tweet, okay, and just click on this little icon here. Okay, that's going to take me through here. Now, on your list of things is all your hard drives and locations and stuff. But down at the bottom, media, photos. Okay, I can find it from here. I can open that there. Okay, and now it's taken it from my photo account, and you can do that. So that's probably the easiest way to do it now on Twitter. Okay, thanks for watching.